Good, happy everybody, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be going over my iPhone 12 Pro. I've had this for about 1.5 months now. I kind of missed the point on doing a 1-month review, so this is going to serve as that as well. I've been quite busy around the holidays, so that is why there has been a lack of videos. And there's really not much going on tech-wise right now in terms of the stuff I cover, so that's why I haven't been making too many videos. But here is my iPhone 12 Pro. I picked this up on release day. As you guys know, I pre-ordered it and everything like that. So a couple points I have is the size. It's right in the middle of the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And now that I've seen the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I kind of wish that I would have waited to get the larger screen size, just because it's a bigger screen, it's better for watching videos and stuff like that. But at the same time, if you're a person who carries your phone around a lot every day, you're out and about, that kind of stuff, this is the perfect size for that. It's not too small, it's not too large. I do think that the iPhone 12 Pro Max would get a bit big after a while physically, but it is a better screen for content consumption and that kind of stuff. You just have to deal with the, fitting it in your pocket, large cases, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to say the iPhone 12 Pro is probably the middle range size in terms of, the three out there right now. The iPhone 12 Pro Mini I think would just be a bit small for long-term usage, in my opinion. Now, if you're somebody that's coming from like an iPhone 8 or even older, like an iPhone maybe like SE first gen, where it's the size of the iPhone 5, that's going to be the perfect size for you. If you like the size of the 6, 7, 8, SE, that kind of stuff, that size will be perfect for you. So there are some people that don't want to carry around large phones, and that's what that's going to be for. Now, in terms of battery life and everything on the 12 Pro, it's able to get me through a day, no problem whatsoever. As you can see here, we're at 80%. It's 11:33. I unplugged about 5 hours ago, probably about 7, 8 a.m. So it's been going on 5 hours that I've been using it. I may have unplugged a little bit earlier than that as well. I unplugged it about 3 a.m. yesterday, and it got me through the day until 9 p.m. Just fine, no issues. It was about 19% when I plugged it back in. So average usage, no issues with battery life. Speed and everything like that, of course, is going to be excellent with the new processor and everything like that. Camera quality is great. I've done some low light photos. I don't have any to show you right now, but just general low light photos. And the lighting is just amazing to look at, like what you're taking a picture of, and then seeing how much light the camera is actually able to add into the photo is just amazing. And it's really good. It's a lot better than the 11 Pro Max that I had before. So great low light photos, great camera on this thing, great battery life. 5G, I do have 5G in my area with T-Mobile. I get it in most areas, and it's not super fast, but it is reliable, it is good, the speeds are decent. Depending on where you are, 4G may be faster, 5G may be faster. It just really depends on your location and what you get where you are. But that is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Do I recommend you pick one up if you're coming from an older device? Anything older than probably the 11, I would definitely say so. If you have an 11 or 11 Pro, something like that, I would stick with that. Unless there's for some reason you want this new design with the squared off edges. It's very easy to hold, may I say that. But other than that, I would stick with what you have. If you're on a 6, 7, 8, I would definitely look at upgrading to something like an iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or maybe even the 12 mini. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.